Okay, so after we learned together how the real hackers is creating all of the phishing websites and generating all of the phishing email addresses and how to customize the malicious hyperlinks and all of this kind of stuff. Of course, the next step will be how to use all of these hacking tools online. So right now I will teach you how actually to upload all of your hacking tools and all of your hacking weapons actually to a real online cloud hacking server, because of course you will not you'll not be able to hack anyone by using your local machine, because all of the tools that we mentioned before and all of the tools that we has been tried before will only work inside your private network. But right now, of course, we will need a very good machine with great capabilities. So of course that will be only available on the cloud, because we have to use a server. Okay, so right now I'm going to navigate to the DigitalOcean, and for example, DigitalOcean is one of the best cloud platforms, and also it's giving you actually a free $200 as a credit, and all of this credit actually will be available for your first 6 days. So of course you can create any account, any free account at any time, and start using all of the cloud services provided from DigitalOcean. So of course after you navigate to this hyperlink, and for the record I have listed this hyperlink for you in the text file in the resources section. So after you navigate to this hyperlink and start registering a new account, after you actually open your account, it will be having this interface. Okay, so this interface will containing your first project, and your first project by default will be named like this. Of course, you can edit your project and edit the image of the project, also the name of the project right here. Okay, but we don't worry actually about this part. So what is the next step right here? So after you open the interface like this, you just have to click on create, and you will see a lot of services and a lot of options provided from DigitalOcean platform right here. But actually we will focus on the cloud servers right here, the droplets. So click on create droplet. As you can see right now, it's asking us to choose what is the region that we want our cloud server to be located in. Of course, you have to select the nearest region according to your country. So, for example, for my country, I will select London, and I will scroll down right here. It will ask me about what is the operating system of our cloud server right here. So I recommend actually to keep it as Ubuntu, because Ubuntu is a Debian Linux distribution, and it's very similar to our Kali Linux. So a lot of repositories actually of the Kali Linux will be also identical as the Ubuntu operating system. So I recommend all of you to keep it as Ubuntu, and scroll down right here. Okay, so right now it's asking you what is the capabilities and what is the resources that you want your cloud server to have. Actually, for our hacking scenarios, we don't need something very advanced, or something with very big capabilities. So if we go with this package, it will be very good. Okay, this package will give us 2 gig 2 gigabytes of the RAMs, and also 50 gigabytes of the SSD hard disk. So if you scroll down right here, it will ask you about the root password, the password of this cloud server, and at the end it will make you actually click on create droplet, and you will create your cloud server. Okay, so this process actually maybe will take from 1 minute to 5 minutes approximately. So right now I have actually created this server before to save some time. So if I navigate back to my first project right here, as you can see, you will see right here is this my cloud server. So if I click on this server, so this is the public IP address of this server. As I mentioned before in our previous videos, I told you about this before actually in our previous hacking scenarios. We were actually navigating to the local private IP address of our Kali Linux hacking machine. But right now actually we have a public IP address for our cloud server, so we can send this IP address for any victim or any target in the future. So if anyone actually types this IP address in the browser, can access our web pages. Okay, so this is actually one of the best benefits of using the cloud servers, of course. So right now, if I click on access, it will tell me right here if I want to access the cloud server. So I have just to click right here, and as you can see, the silver terminal console window will open up in the browser in a new browser window right here. Okay, and that's it. So right now actually we have created our cloud server. So let's test if anyone actually can access our web server right here. So I will clear up the terminal and type sudo service apache 2 start. Actually, this command will start the service of our built-in web server, and this web server is called Apache. So right now I'm just starting the service of the web server to test if I'm able to actually reach the default web page of this machine, to make sure this machine is working. So right now I will just take this IP address and try to open my browser and then navigate this IP address, and as you can see right now our cloud server is already set up and ready to be used during our hacking scenarios.